Let's have a little look at the pound CAD, shall we?
Wait. Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If this is your first time here, the big fella, that is the Scruffy trader. And today I've been quite busy with the Scruffs. Done quite a few videos, give them the heads up on trades I was taking. And earlier on, I gave the heads up on the pound CAD, which is what we're looking at right now. Now, the heads up comes in two forms. I had a look at this and it's here. I've already done cable this morning and it's telling me to buy it and it's ready to rock. Okay, but why is it ready to rock? Well, we've got good movement in the strength because the pound's near the top and the CAD's near the bottom, and it's not too bad in the change of strength. You can see the motion of the market. Now, I post that up into the Discord, and if you're unfamiliar what the Discord is, it's this, and it goes up in the biases. That is there, 11 o'clock. I do it at the top of each hour and kind of work our way through the day. Now, earlier on, I put one up and that is that. So it's 7 o'clock this morning. Made a call on cable and did a little bit of a screenshot as well as to direction and pressure points. And come 8 o'clock, it appeared me risk free, and it had also done my prop 150 on that. And then when it finally finished, it bottomed out to the pip where I said it was going. Right? And then through the morning, we looked at Aussie dollar, and I've just, well, I'm saying just half an hour ago, did a breakdown of the pound CAD, which is what we're looking at right now. Because what I like to do is not only sort of just say this is what I'm doing, but also show why I'm going to do it. The how and the why, if you like. And I think that's only fair for the guys. So what are we looking at? Is it ready? It is and it isn't. It might take it a little bit time to cook because I actually prefer this level down here to this one. And I explained this in the video. But basically, if we have a look, we can see it's fully mapped out. We can see the strong surge. It's pushed down to this level, but failed and is pushing back up, telling me the inertia is that way. Drop it into the 1 hour and you can kind of see it a little bit better. There's the strong drive down. That is an overextended candle. Now they have a tendency to retrieve on themselves. And it has done partially, but there's still sellers there. And I'm wanting, I don't know. I've done okay this morning. I've already done 100 quid out of cable, as you saw. So 50, 100 quid, I'll be quite happy. Don't really need to push the boat out this week because I've done all right so far. And yeah. But anyway, take this to a 15. What do we see here? Well, there's that exaggerated drive, stalled on the level bang on. It's pushed up, and it looks like it's pushing back to here. So that's what I'm interested in. So if I measure out 10 pips, so there's the next stall point. I need to be in the market before this box. Okay. Anywhere after that box, so it's kind of the here I need to be in to get 50 quid. So the deeper this goes down, the better. However, if it comes up, this is a push point and it could repel the price easily. So I'm very wary of this. So I'm just going to watch it and see if I can see the ignition and grab 10 pips. All right. So let me do a bit of work on it and then I'll come back when the trade's done and we'll have a little chat. There you go, guys. Done. All right. Took a little bit to get there. Almost got to the top and then came away. And I would have killed it if it wasn't for Rent-A-Gob sticking her nose in.
Blame me.
I am blaming you. I want to film that. Just wait. And the market didn't wait. It buggered off. Thank you. So I had to sit through a bit of pain. It's almost like a marriage, isn't it? Not quite. Say that, she hit me. She hit me, boys and girls. This is domestic abuse. This is shocking. No. Thing is, I stuck to my plan. I knew what I was after. I knew what the trading arena was. I told the guys exactly what I was looking for a few hours ago. And what you've seen here is trading in the moment, the same as I would have seen it after the event. Because anyone can put a trading view chart on and roll it back. It's a little bit harder to say what you're going to do before you do it and then do it. Hope that makes sense. But what's it done? Have I hit my 200 quid for the day? Yes, I have. I did the first one with cable this morning. Happy days. And come back to market this afternoon. I was still on the pound because that was the contender for the day. And the CAD was the one that was offering up the money. And it has paid me. So what's the moral of the story here? Apart from gag winky. Well, less of that. That's like our Saturday night.
You.
I know. I like to watch the telly in peace. You've got to gag her to shut her up. What on earth did you think we were thinking of? Actually, what would you think we were thinking of?
I never know with you. Could be anything.
It's always a laugh, though. That's the thing. You should always have joy in your life. Doesn't matter how many tiffs and arguments you have. Always have joy in your life. And you'll be sitting there scratching your head thinking, what's that got to do with trading there, Scruff? Don't need marriage advice from you, you baldy bugger. Well, it's not marriage advice. It's life advice. And if you're joyful and happy, when you're at the charts, you're calm. If you're calm, you make rational decisions. If you're not calm, you make rash decisions. There's a big difference. And it all comes down to your well-being, state of mind. A lot of people tell you that. They always tell you it's the strategy, it's this, it's that. No. The difference between making money and not making money is not the strategy. It's the trader. The one who has the heart and the will and the desire to learn will get through, but they are also disciplined and they know how to be calm under pressure. That's the difference between a good trader and a bad one. So there we go. Another one just showing a little bit of consistency. It's really for the guys in the Scruffy squad. So if you drop in the comments, you'll see them sort of chuntering on amongst themselves, which is great. And I'm interested in your thoughts. I answer every single comment myself, and I'm happy to drop them into videos if you're stuck. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, learn how to keep winkies shut. But do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.